Hi guys, my name is Alexandre. The video show about how use Hag and the Langchain Go. Today I watch a movie about the RAG application for scrapping in Python. I think how I can do it using Golang. Um, I I searched about this and in the video use the pipeline, but I think about use another vector store like Qdrant. The video you show about Qdrant for vector is very easy. And I use Langchain. Langchain Go is a fork of Langchain and Python. They very easy too. Then when you learn the concept about the vectors and the rag, you can reproduce in another language. This is very simple. I think I use this video. I transcribe this video and I can search some question about these videos for learn something. I have the this video in MP3 on loud, and I transcribe this video for test. I have this video transcribing test. It's very large, and I have my main class and send the parent for CLI. I have the function for transcribe. In transcribe I use in the API because I not found the package for Golang transcribe. I use the API this assembly API. Then I use this assembly API for transcribe the video in text. Yes, my API key don't work more. Then I have text to split the function get transcribe text and create the embed for use in my vector store. I can do it from test file or PDF file and HTML file too. Okay. I am record a video more large about this within the step by step. Now I show that it's possible create recreate the steps for RAG with Golang using the Langchain tool. I have my vector store. I use the localhost is Qdrant. I have Qdrant in the URL. My index, my collection name. I add my document and I create my retriever. My retriever I use the score 0.18. So let's see its work. Then I question what is rag. This search this in my vector store and get the return vector store and use it like whole context in my question. I can question about the retriever. Like when you run what is retriever? Retriever. Then the search and my vector store and get this the result for use in my context. Interesting. Retriever is a tool using it. Get every questions use transcribe video for answer. That is, I create a video step by step about this, but it's very interesting. I watched this video. Is very easy and understand how you can use the rag with Langchain in Python, and you can reproduce this in another language.